אזרחי ישראל.
Citizens of Israel, nearly a decade has passed since the investigations against me began. The trial has been ongoing for close to 6 years, and it is expected to continue for many more years. As the exonerating evidence and testimonies that completely dismantle the false claims against me are revealed in court, and as it becomes clear that the evidentiary basis against me was formed through the commission of serious offenses, my personal interest has been and remains to continue the process to its conclusion until full acquittal on all charges. However, the security and diplomatic reality, the national interest, demand otherwise. The State of Israel faces immense challenges alongside tremendous opportunities. To fend off the threats and to realize the opportunities, national unity is required. The continuation of the trial tears us apart from within, stirs up this division, and deepens rifts. I am sure, like many others in the nation, that an immediate conclusion of the trial would greatly help to lower the flames and promote the broad reconciliation that our country so desperately needs. I hesitated a lot on this matter, but what happened recently tipped the scales. Due to a decision stemming from the composition of the judges in the case, I am required to testify 3 times a week. 3 times a week is an impossible demand that is not required of any other citizen in Israel. Additionally, I considered President Trump's repeated appeals to the President of the state. President Trump called for the immediate conclusion of the trial so that he could work together with him to advance vital interests shared by Israel and the United States within a time frame that may not return. Dear citizens of Israel, time and time again, I have been elected in democratic elections and received your trust to continue serving as the Prime Minister of Israel, first and foremost, to achieve these historical goals. For these reasons, my attorneys have today submitted a request for a pardon to the President of the state. I expect that everyone who has the country's best interests at heart will support this step.
This man is a good man right here. These 2 men are good men right here. Hey, I have an idea. Mr. President, why don't you give him a pardon? Give him a pardon. Come on. By the way, that was not in the speech, as you probably know. But I happen to like this gentleman right over here, and it just seems to make so much sense. You know, whether we like it or not, this has been one of the greatest wartime presidents. This has been one of the greatest wartime presidents. And cigars and champagne, who the hell cares about that?
If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe to Mirror Now.